Hi, you kids. Professor Calamanis here. So I just want to show you what I did. Now, this is both sections 22 and 33. So I made a section here where it says Help for Student Forms. If you look on the left side banner here, and if you go in, the template is here. And I'm also going to add some other things that might help you. So when you click on this template, it will open into Word, and I hope that you are using Word. I don't know how it's going to work with Google Forms, so we can try that. But notice that it is, how about that? It automatically updates the date. And then there's just a bunch of information here. So you have to click up here into the header and replace this with your last name. Keep the space and the page numbers will be here. And then click back in the regular document. Click back in the regular document. There we go. And you'll just kind of update with your first and last name. And then just, you can read through this. So you give it a title. Now this is based on the fiction essay. So you'll give it a title. Here's where there's the epigraph, which if you remember, we talked about this. This is an opening quote. Then you type your paper. It'll automatically update the next page. Just an example here about how to put an in-text citation. As you scroll down, here's the assignment for the first paper. Now the due dates, I have to double check on those. That may not be right, so don't get freaked out by that. But here, go down, keep going down, and look, here's the works cited. This is our textbook. And these are the stories that we're reading and everything for the first paper, except for the one citation, which would be Flannery O'Connor. So you're going to have to add that. So you would do it alphabetically. And basically, you can just say, just like this one. See this one, this is the Baldwin. So you would do the same thing with the O'Connor. All right, I hope that's helpful. If you want to, for your homework, you want to take all of this out and just use the O'Connor, that's fine as well. So those are the things I'm going to be looking for. When I grade homework number 2, I want to see, as I read your intro, I'm looking for your thesis. That's what I'm really looking at right now. So everything else is just practice for the time being. All right, try to write an analysis and see how it goes. Short assignment. This is the formatting. I hope that's helpful to you. So once again, I'm just going to show you. Here's where it is. Help for students, forms, rubrics. You click on this and it should open. And then you just do your own version of that. Then when you go to turn in the assignment, let's click on the assignment. You're going to go down here and where it says write submission. So you can copy and paste it into the submission, or you can attach the local file. But please don't attach it as a PDF because I cannot comment on PDFs. So I want you to get in the habit of attaching it as a Word document if you can. I know it says cloud service. I don't know how well the Blackboard does with that, but let's just review one more time, right? So you click on here for the help with the template, and you click on here for the assignment, and that's both 22 and this is 33. Maybe it's a little bit different order here. Let's move this up. There we go. You should be able to find that, and I will send out an announcement on Monday night just reminding you that it's due at 10 p.m. Good luck with everything. Have a great weekend. Thank you so much for showing up for class yesterday. It was great to see you all, even with masks. And email me if you have questions. Okay.